Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I would like to present our project Restobite Restaurant Management and Reservation System. This project was developed by my group members Adam Iqbalhan, Muhammad Hasif and myself Nurhani Zafira. The purpose of developing this system is to solve common problems faced by restaurants, such as inefficient reservation handling, inaccurate table availability, and difficulties in managing customer, order, and payment data. Without a proper system, these issues can affect both customer experience and staff workload. Restobite is designed to provide a structured and centralized database that supports restaurant operations, including customer management, reservations ordering, menu handling, staff roles, and multiple payment methods. By using a relational database design, the system ensures data consistency, reduces redundancy, and overall operational efficiency. Now, we will demonstrate the SQL implementation, which includes DDL statements, DML statements, and test queries. For my part, I will focus on the DDL section. First, I create the customer table. This table stores customer information such as customer ID, first name, last name, phone number, and email. The customer ID is set as the primary key to uniquely identify each customer in the database. Next, I create the staff table. This table stores staff information and is important because staff members manage reservations, orders, and payments in the restaurant system. After that, I create the manager table. This table represents staff members who act as managers and includes additional information such as bonus and manager start date. Separating this table helps define managerial roles clearly. This concludes my part of the SQL demonstrations for the create table statements. Next, I will pass the presentations to the next presenter who will continue with the remaining SQL demonstration including data manipulation and test queries.
Now we are going to insert into customer. We're going to write values into the customer table. So we can either write each of the column name, like I did now, which is customer ID, first name, until the last column, which is email. You can also skip this part if you intend to write value for each of the column in order. Now, we're going to insert the values starting from customer ID into email in order. It is a must that we follow the order that we have written before. So we put this kind of bracket on top of each values that is not an integer. There is not a decimal, which is either the value is varchar character or the value is a timestamp. We need to put this, it is a must. So we're gonna copy paste the first one into gonna make three values, which is C01 until C03. We're gonna change the name, so Siti Aminah, and then we're gonna write a new phone number, and then we're gonna write a new phone number for customer 3. Gonna change the name from, and then we're gonna change it into Adam Hazik, and then we're gonna go to the Gmail, gonna change the email also. Right, you're gonna change alter according to the real values. And we want to view this table with its data, so we use the select from with the asterisk before the from. Like that, select from customer and then press run, and then we show the value. As you can see, C01 until C03 with its own value. Now we're gonna insert into reservation table. The data I got is, you can see from the report, is the same. It is the same way as we did with customer. We insert into and then we go select from to view the table with its data. As you can see that we got date, time. And now if, let's say if a customer wants to cancel their reservation, we need to update the reservation table. Update reservation, set the value of status reserve into cancel. And from whatever confirm or pending, we're gonna set it into cancel. Let's say customer R with R03 reservation ID want to cancel. So the condition is where reservation ID equal to R03. So press run, and if we want to see whether it is updated in the reservation table, so use the select from reservation again, and then we run. As you can see that at R03, the status reserve is cancelled. Now, if you want to delete the row for R03, you can use delete from reservation table. The condition is the same where reservation ID is equal to R03. So we'll press run. As you can see that the row for R03 is no longer there. It has been deleted. That's all.
Alright, for my first query, this query displays all records from the reservation table. It shows reservation details such as reservation date, time, number of guests, and reservation status. This table is important to manage customer reservations and ensure proper scheduling in restaurant. For my second query, this query displays the table assignment for reservation. It shows which table is assigned to a specific reservation. Then, this helps the restaurant manage table availability and avoid double booking. For my third query, this query joins the order detail table with the menu table. It displays the menu items ordered along with their quantity for each order. This query helps the restaurant track customer orders and manage menu demand efficiently. Alright, so let's go through to the conclusion. So, as a conclusion, our restaurant management and reservation system database was successfully designed using a relational database approach. The system integrates key restaurant operations such as reservation, orders, menu management, staff roles, and payment processing. Normalization was applied to reduce data redundancy and ensure data integrity. Then, the SQL queries show that the database can effectively support real-world restaurant operation. In the future, we really hope that this system can be further enhanced by integrating it with a full application interface and real-time transaction. Thank you.